Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it in a pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to another device, then how to factory reset these. So first we're going to connect to my iPhone 16e. After that we will connect to my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So we'll connect to my iPhone first. The buds are in the case. Let me open this up. I'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, I get a solid green light here, it goes off. So let me go ahead and manually put this in pairing mode myself. So if I look on the back here, there's a little button right there. I'm going to press and hold that button and continue to hold until the light here starts blinking blue, 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 blue. So we'll do it together. Press and hold that button now. Keep holding. Wait. Wait. Okay, blue, 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 blue. Now go ahead and let go of that button. Now it's in pairing mode. Now I'm going to jump over to my iPhone here. I'm going to go to settings. And then I'm going to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then I'm going to scroll down, and that little spinny thing there next to other devices is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. So it's still in the pairing mode, but it's not showing up. Oh, weird. Okay. It's not showing up because I previously had it connected to this phone before. It was paired to this phone before. So I just deleted it. Now it should show up here now. Let me just turn Bluetooth off. Let me turn it back on to rescan and give it 1 second here, and hopefully it finds it. There it is right there, LinkBuds clip. I'm going to tap on that. Voila, we're connected, ready to go. Okay, so we're connected to the iPhone. Now let's say I want to go and connect to another phone. It could be a TV, computer, but I want to connect now to my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus here. So now let's connect to this phone, all right? Buds are in a case. Let me open this up. And we got to put this in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so again, I'm going to go back here. And there's that little button right there. I'm going to press and hold that button. Ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding until it starts blinking blue, blue here. Still holding the button. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and connect to this phone here. Let's go to settings. And then we're going to go to Bluetooth here. Tap on connections for this phone, and then we can go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on here. Tap on Bluetooth, and now that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here under available devices. So there's LinkBuds clip. Let's tap on that with Android phones. You should get a pairing request. Tap on pair. Voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now I'm actually, oh yeah, if this pops up here, then you can connect that way as well. If not, then you can just go to the traditional way, go to settings, and go to Bluetooth, and so on. But right now, we're connected to both phones. So if I listen to music or watch YouTube videos, the audio will come out of here. If I go ahead and grab my iPhone and start listening to music or watching YouTube videos, the audio will come out of here. And that's called a multi-point connection. Now, let me show you how to do a factory reset on these. You want to do a factory reset if you have issues, you can't put it in pairing mode, problems connecting pairing, one side's not working, it maybe keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, and so on. Anyway, with a factory reset, it's very simple. So the buds are in a case. I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. Now, again, remember, you have this button on the back here. What we're going to do this time to factory reset these, we're going to press that button, and we're going to keep on holding until I think it blinks orange. Okay, we'll do it together. You have to hold it for like 20 seconds or so. But okay, that button back here. Ready, set, go. Oops, let me do it again. Ready, set, go. Okay, press and hold. I'll keep holding. Still holding. Just wait. It's blinking blue, blue right now, but we don't want that, so continue to hold. Still holding. Oh, orange, orange, orange. That's what we want. Now it's going to the factory reset process, okay? Now the factory reset is done, okay? Now let's say, for example, remember I was connected to both of these phones here before. It was paired to both of these phones. Now if I wanted to connect back to the same phone, or if you want to connect back to your same computer or TV or whatnot, you have to delete it off of your pairing list. So if I want to connect back to this one here, I have to go to settings, and then go to Bluetooth, and then see it was all the devices, earbuds and headphones are paired on my phone is right here, and those LinkBuds are right there. So let me tap on that eye, and I'm going to remove it from this paired list. Forget this device on an iPhone. With an Android phone, it would say unpair. So now if I want to connect back here, now from here I can just put it back into pairing mode. Press and hold that button on the side until it starts blinking blue, blue. Okay, blinking blue, blue. And voila, it just popped up right there. Tap on that. And now I'm connected back to my iPhone. And remember, if I want to connect back to my Android phone, I have to delete it off the pairing list as well to connect back to the same device. Pretty simple.